Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Dr. Khawaja Sajid Aslam. I'm one of the orthopedic surgeons. I do hip and knee replacements, fractures, arthroscopies and tumors. Today public awareness program is about the backache. I'm sure all of us knows this is most common, one of the most common problem in the community all over the world, rather even in Asian countries or in the West. Backache is a very broad subject. In different age groups, different causes, different kind of treatment, very young age, adulthood, adults, old age, middle age. So it's quite big subject, so we cannot cover in one program actually. We did quite few programs about this as related to age groups as well. Today I think we can confine to the middle age group because is a common problem in middle age, and more problem in middle age is because they cannot go to work. Because middle age men, they of course they have to work. Men or women, they have to work. Women, they have to take care of their children or household work or have to go to job. Men, of course, they have to go to job, lift the weight. Some people, their work is associated with that. So backache is very, very important in that age group because they cannot work. Let's discuss about this age. One of the most common reason is trauma. If we just exclude this part, trauma, everybody knows once you get trauma, you had a fall from height, you had a road traffic accident, or something fell over the back, or you fall over your back. Of course, then you will go to hospital. First thing orthopedic surgeon will do, examine you and then get the X-ray. And most of the things will be quite obvious. And then treatment will be accordingly. If we just exclude that group, because everybody will go to hospital after get trauma. But if we exclude that part and we discuss only those patients who get backache without trauma, because those people, they most of the time neglect it. They usually go after months to hospital or to orthopedic surgeon after backache because they believe them, yeah, nothing happened actually. I didn't fall, I didn't have any accident actually. Maybe just a muscular pain, or maybe I get tired, or most of the people, they use the home remedies like massage, like medicine, like few things which traditionally people they use in certain areas. I would say 80%, more than 80% backache in adult is related to their posture, related to their daily routine activities. And only 20%, 15 to 20% population with the backache in middle age group are the one who can have some problems like scoliosis or ankylosing spondylitis or infection or tumor or something. But 80% people is a big percentage are those who have backache related to their posture, related to their daily routine activities. If just for a moment viewers think about this, how they do their daily routine activities. Most of the IT people, when they work, of course, they sit there, they keep on typing, and then most of the young people or middle age, they keep on working on their mobile or laptop or small tablet kind of or iPad kind of thing, and they keep on working. Most of the people, they sit like that without any back supports. Many of them, most of us in our daily routine activity do the same thing. So it's not something which we don't come across. And the back support is with the muscles actually. Bones are in the middle and all around the back are the muscles which give the support. So those muscles, they get tired, of course. Once we take care of other parts of the body, backache is one of those things as well. The most important precautions in backache is, first of all, have to sit always with the back support, always. Second thing is, don't bend your back with a 90 degree. Always, if you want to pick up anything from the floor, bend with your knees and then pick up the thing. And Third thing is carry the weight as much you can, as much you think your muscle capacity and power is, carry that amount of weight. Don't carry more than that. Then the problem. Most of the time you don't get the problem. But if you get the problem with a backache, don't neglect it. Take home message of this program is don't neglect yourself, don't neglect your health, because this could be simple backache, mechanical backache with muscular pain, yes, of course, but it can be worse as well. For example, in a middle-age group, tumors are common, infections are common for the back, especially spine and disc. So don't neglect yourself. Take care of yourself and your family. On display is my contact number. If you want to discuss or want to get appointment, you're welcome. Thank you.